Hi there. I'm Avi, a PMI content creator, and I am your course guide. In this course, we're going to elevate your project success by connecting various Gen AI tools to create AI-enabled workflows specifically designed for project managers, turbo boosting your efficiency and effectiveness. This will give you the room to step up your ownership and accountability for each part of the project management equation, especially value creation. These workflows are sequences of tasks, activities, or steps arranged in a specific order to accomplish a particular goal or complete a process. And the incredible thing about utilizing Gen AI in these workflows is that you don't need to know how to code, you don't need to be super technical, and you don't need enormous amounts of time. Here are our learning objectives for this course. Pause to read them. There are no prerequisites for this course. However, the previous 3 courses in this series set your foundation for what we're doing today. So if you haven't taken them, I suggest you do. You'll get the basics on what generative AI is and how it can be used in the project management profession. The essentials around data, ethics, and security considerations, and an interactive canvas to implement Gen AI at the organizational level. And you'll get experience with how to talk with AI by engineering prompts that are proven to generate consistent, reliable, useful outputs for project management work. Now, you might not have access to some of these Gen AI tools due to your organization's protocols and governance policies, or you might work in a different technical environment than our experts. And that's okay. The goal of this course is twofold: to incite curiosity and spark ideas about the possibilities to further the profession using Gen AI through AI-enabled workflows, and to offer step-by-step tutorials so you can replicate these workflows on your own, either with the tools mentioned here or similar tools of your choice. These workflows are designed to be simple and straightforward, but as the innovative project managers you are, you'll modify and tailor them to suit your unique project needs. The tools mentioned in this course are what these experts use and recommend. The tools are not endorsed by PMI. There is no single pattern of adoption or a recipe that can be copied. You and your organization need to define your own adoption strategy. The workflows are organized into the 8 project performance domains. Each workflow has both an overview video and a tutorial video. The overview video explains the issue a project manager might face within that domain, how that workflow can help the project manager with that issue, and dives into the research behind why and how the workflow can increase efficiency and improve quality. It then shows a high-level overview of what the workflow entails. The tutorial video walks you through how to implement the workflow into your own project work, step by step. The core content is covered in the 8 overview videos, totaling about 45 minutes in length. For a deeper dive, we encourage you to watch the tutorial videos for the workflows that are interesting or relevant for you. Let's take a quick look at what's coming up. First up, Douglas will present an advanced workflow that summarizes meeting highlights in real time, making it easy to update stakeholders. Next, Sarah will guide you through a beginner workflow designed to identify team skills gaps and create custom development plans. Then, Sarah will introduce another beginner workflow that focuses on building a requirements traceability matrix with test cases and a dashboard. Following that, Douglas returns with an advanced workflow that automates industry knowledge feeds, keeping you up to date with relevant insights. Kirby will take you through an intermediate workflow, helping you create AI-powered presentations and transform them into coaching tools with avatar support. Ogaga will cover a beginner workflow that streamlines the process of collecting, extracting, cleaning, and analyzing project data. Rafsan will guide you through an intermediate workflow focused on using AI to measure project success and outcomes. Finally, Andrew will present an intermediate workflow that helps you create an HTML project dashboard to manage and visualize project risks. Each of these workflows is designed to be both practical and adaptable, giving you a foundation to modify and tailor them to fit your unique project needs. Throughout this course, you'll see hotspots appear on your screen. Click on them to access PMI products, resources, or download the exact files and prompts our experts use, so you can follow along with clean, prepared datasets and experiment as you go. Additionally, our videos are equipped with Vimeo AI. Click the icon in the top right to see suggested prompts, key video highlights, or create your own prompts. Use preloaded keywords to jump to specific video sections or ask questions to receive written answers and links to relevant content. Together, these interactive tools make your learning experience dynamic, efficient, and actionable. In the conclusion video, we'll talk through many of the considerations that need to be carefully thought through when using generative AI at work. For example, you don't want to share any proprietary data or personal identifiable information or any other sensitive data with generative AI tools unless they are closed tools. You must always be the human in the loop in these workflows, checking the AI's work, reviewing, and steering in the right direction. You, as the project manager, are responsible for the AI's outputs and the ethical use of AI. At the end of the course, we encourage you to contribute to the discussion forum. Are you using AI-enabled workflows already and want to share them with the community? Have you tried one of the workflows illustrated here and have suggestions on how to improve them or other tools to use? We want to hear about it. Visit our Miro board for additional research to explore other workflow ideas arranged by project management domain and much more. Before we begin, let's consider PMI's thought leadership research, which illustrates that high AI adopters, PMI calls them trailblazers, are gaining an edge by using Gen AI across more projects and tasks, leading to increased productivity, problem solving, creativity, and direct contributions to organizational transformation. We're seeing that those trailblazers will likely become the high-producing, high-value project managers. This could create a natural cycle where the top-valued, trailblazing PMs will self-select into organizations with high Gen AI adoption. PMI calls these peak organizations. Trailblazers in peak organizations are going to lead the way. To learn more, check out PMI's Thought Leadership article, Pushing the Limits. Finally, at the end of the course, pass a 10-question knowledge check and earn your badge. Ready to dive in? Let's go.